In 2022, astronomers at Kitt Peak National Observatory in Arizona made a remarkable discovery, a planet unlike anything seen before. TOI 3757b, located 580 light-years from Earth, is a gas giant with a radius 1.5 times that of Jupiter. However, its most unusual trait is its incredibly low density, making it eerily similar in texture to marshmallows. Scientists struggled to classify it, ultimately settling on the gas giant category simply because no other classification seemed to fit. TOI 3757b follows an elliptical orbit, periodically drifting far from its star before swinging dangerously close again. As a result, it is bombarded with bursts of stellar radiation, which strip away parts of its atmosphere, similar to how whipping egg whites transforms them into meringue. Yet, despite its peculiar nature, this planet is far from the strangest in the cosmos. In this exploration, we'll uncover some of the most extreme exoplanets, worlds of eternal darkness, planets that rain molten iron, and even those that defy the very laws of physics. One such anomaly is TRES 2b, located 750 light-years from Earth. Unlike most planets which reflect some degree of light, TRES 2b absorbs more than 99% of the light that reaches it, making it one of the darkest known celestial bodies. For comparison, the blackest coal on Earth absorbs only about 95% of light. Despite its pitch-black appearance, TRES 2b isn't hidden from its host star. It orbits just 4 million kilometers away, 10 times closer than Mercury is to the Sun. Scientists are still searching for the reason behind its near-total absorption of light, but another planet presents an even greater mystery. Meet Gliese 504b, a gas giant in the Virgo constellation, about 57 light-years from Earth. Unlike TRES 2b, this planet should have been a true dark world, given its vast distance from its star, 9 times greater than the distance between Jupiter and the Sun. But instead of fading into darkness, Gliese 504b glows from within. This unexpected phenomenon contradicts everything we know about gas giants. Typically, these planets only reflect their star's light and do not generate their own. Scientists believe Gliese 504b's glow is due to its young age. It formed relatively recently and has not yet cooled down, much like molten metal fresh from a forge. But if this explanation is correct, why do we see its glow so rarely? This planet may still hold more secrets waiting to be unraveled. Scientists once debated whether large bodies of water could exist beyond Earth. That question was answered with the discovery of GJ 1214b, located 42 light-years away. This exoplanet is essentially an ocean world, with vast deep waters making up 10% of its total mass. In comparison, Earth's oceans account for just 0.05% of our planet's mass. The oceans on GJ 1214b could be as deep as 1,600 kilometers, an unimaginable depth compared to Earth's Mariana Trench, which extends only 11 kilometers downward. Given that humans have only explored about 5% of our own oceans, the idea of studying an alien ocean world presents an enormous challenge. If GJ 1214b is an ocean paradise, then Kepler-10b is its fiery opposite. Located 560 light-years away, this planet is covered not in water, but in molten lava. Orbiting extremely close to its star, Kepler-10b experiences surface temperatures of 1500 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt rock and turn it into an endless sea of fire. Composed mostly of heated iron, this planet is 5 times heavier than Earth. Its intense heat gives its molten landscape a bright red glow, reminiscent of the infernal visions of hell imagined by ancient civilizations. Long ago, adventurers searched for the legendary city of El Dorado, overflowing with gold and treasures. Had they looked to the stars, they might have found something even more incredible, a planet made almost entirely of diamond. This exoplanet, 5 times the size of Earth, lies 4,000 light-years away. Scientists believe it formed from a star whose extreme gravity and pressure compressed carbon into pure diamond. Once part of a binary star system, the planet's companion was devoured by a pulsar, triggering a supernova that left behind a shimmering diamond-like remnant. If you think Earth's weather is extreme, consider WASP-76b, a gas giant 1,000 light-years from us. On this planet, temperatures reach 2,500 degrees Celsius, hot enough to vaporize iron. As a result, iron turns into clouds on the scorching day side before condensing and falling as molten metal rain on the night side. Similarly, HD 189733b experiences glass rain. This planet, though slightly cooler at 850 degrees Celsius, has silicate particles in its atmosphere. When heated, these particles melt and condense into droplets of glass. Strong winds, racing at 8,700 kilometers per hour, whip the glass shards sideways, effectively creating razor-sharp storms. Kelt 9b, often called the planet from hell, holds the record for the hottest exoplanet ever discovered. With a surface temperature exceeding 4,300 degrees Celsius, it's hotter than many stars. Its close proximity to its host star results in an orbit that lasts just 1.5 Earth days. If you were to celebrate your 30th birthday on Kelt 9b, you would have aged over 7,000 years in local time. Most planets are spherical, but WASP 103b, located 1,000 light-years from Earth, is shaped more like a rugby ball. Its distorted form is due to the intense gravitational pull of its nearby star, which stretches the planet at its poles. This extreme tidal force also causes the planet to lose mass rapidly, shedding the equivalent of 1,000 Great Pyramids of Giza every second. TOI 2109b, found 860 light-years away, holds the record for the fastest known orbit. This gas giant, 5 times heavier than Jupiter, completes a full orbit around its star in just 16 hours. Recent data suggest that the planet is moving even faster and spiraling toward its host star at a record-breaking speed of 750 kilometers per second. Scientists estimate that within just a few years, TOI 2109b will be completely consumed by its star. While most planetary systems resemble our own, some are far more chaotic. PH1, a planet 5,000 light-years away, orbits not 1, not 2, but 4 stars. It was discovered not by professional scientists, but by amateur astronomers using data from the Planet Hunters Science Project. Finally, there's Methuselah, a planet estimated to be 13 billion years old, nearly as old as the universe itself. Located 12,500 light-years away in the constellation of Scorpius, it endures intense cosmic storms and gravitational disturbances, but has somehow survived for eons. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, discoveries of bizarre new worlds continue at an unprecedented pace. In 2023, astronomers identified LHS 475b, a planet nearly identical in size to Earth and potentially habitable. Could this be humanity's next home? Only time will tell. From planets of fire and ice to celestial bodies defying the laws of physics, our universe is filled with wonders beyond imagination. And with each new discovery, we realize just how little we truly know about the cosmos.